Hello everyone, welcome to Sunny Lessons. Today we discuss about the how to find the HCF and LCM of the given numbers. Everyone should observe video till end. Please subscribe the video and share it. First we discuss about the highest common factor, that is HCF, the greatest number which is common factor of two or more numbers is called highest common factor, HCF. HCF is nothing but the greatest common divisor, that is GCD. Yes, GCD we can determine three methods: by writing all factors, second one by prime factorization method, third one by division method. First, we discuss about the HCF of a number by using factors. Let us take an example. Find the HCF of 8 and 12 by using factors. That's why we have to write the factors of 8. Factors of 8. What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8. Next we have to write the factors of 12. Factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. The common factors of 8 and 12. What are the common factors of 8 and 12? 1, 2, 4. Yes. The HCF of 8 and 12. In these common factors, which is the highest factor as 4. So, the HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Let us take that second example. Find the HCF of 36, 48 and 52. Write the factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Write the factors of 48. Factors of 48. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Factors of 52. Yes. 1, 2, 4, 13, 26 and 52. Common factors of 36, 48, 52. What are the common factors? 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Yes. HCF of 36, 48, 52. HCF means highest common factor. In this common factor, which is the highest number? 4 is the highest number. So, the HCF of the 36, 48, 52 is 4. The second method is HCF of a number by using the factorization method. In this method, we factorize the given numbers, then take out the common prime factors and multiply them. That will be the HCF of the given numbers. Let us take the example. Find the HCF of 48 and 52. Write the prime factors of 48. Yes. What are the prime factors of 48? 2 24s, 2 12s, 2 6s, 2 3s. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. These are the prime factors of 48. Write the prime factors of 52. Take 52. Write the prime factors. 2 26, 2 13. So 2 into 13. Yes. Write the prime factors of the given numbers. Then take out the common prime factors. What are the common prime factors here? 2 into 2. 2 into 2. So these are the common prime factors. Common prime factors of 48 and 52 are 2 into 2. HCF of 48 and 52. 2 into 2 is 4. Let us take the second example. Find GCD of the 24, 36 and 84. Write the prime factors of 24. Write the prime factors of 24. As we can write 2 12s, 2 6, 2 3s. So the prime factors of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. We can write this one simply 2 cube into 3. Like that, we have to write the prime factors of 36. 2 18s, 2 9s, 3 3s. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. We can write this one simply 2 square into 3 square. Write the prime factors of 84. 2 42s, 2 21s, 3 7s. We can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. We can write this one simply 2 square into 3 into 7. HCF of 24, 36 and 84 is, write the common factors of these three. 2 and 3 is there. What is the least power of 2 in these three? Yes, 2 is least power of 2. What is the least power of 3 in these three? 1 is the least power of 3. So product them. 2 square means 4 into 3, 12. So the HCF of 24, 36, 84 is 12. We have to take the third example. Find the HCF of 2 to the power 14 into 3 to the power 13 into 5 to the power 8 and 2 to the power 19 into 3 to the power 9 into 5 to the power 13. In this case, we have to take the common prime factors of both. Yes, what are the common prime factors? 2, 3 and 5. Yes, what is the least power of 2 in both? Yes, 14. What is the least power of 3 in both? 9. What is the least power of 5 in both? 8. Yes, product them. That is the HCF of the given number. Next, the third model is the HCF of a numbers by using division method. To find the HCF of 2 or more given numbers, divide the greater number by the smaller one. Then divide the divisor by the remainder. Go on repeating process dividing the preceding divisor by the remainder till 0 remainder is obtained. Then the last divisor is the required HCF of the given numbers. Let us take an example. Find the HCF of 130 and 150. In this, we have to take the greater number 150. Yes, is divisible by the smaller number 130. 131 is 130. 20 is remainder. We should divide the divisor with the remainder 20. 26, 120. Here remainder is 10. Yes, here we should divide the divisor with the remainder 10. Yes, 10 twos 20. Here remainder is 0. So the last divisor is the HCF of the given numbers. So the HCF of 130 and 150 is 10. The note point is two positive integers A and B are said to be relatively prime or co-primes if the GCD of A and B is 1. It is denoted by AB is equal to 1. Let us take an example. 5 and 18 are co-primes. The GCD of 5 and 18 is 1. So 5 and 18 are called relatively primes or co-primes. Note point 2. The HCF of two consecutive odd numbers is 1. Yes. The HCF of 7 and 9. These two are consecutive odd numbers. So the HCF of 7 and 9 is 1. So note point 3. The HCF of two consecutive even numbers is 2. The HCF of 16 and 18. These two are consecutive even numbers. So the HCF of 16 and 18 is 2. Next, objective ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు షార్ట్ కట్ లో ఎలా చేయాలో చూద్దాము. Yes, find the HCF of 42, 63 and 140. In this case, we have to take the least number of the options. 3 is the least number. Yes, we have to take 3. 42 is divisible by 3. 63 is divisible by 3. But 140 is not divisible by 3. So 3 is not our answer. Next, we have to go to next highest number. Yes, 7. Yes, 42 is divisible by 7. 63 is divisible by 7. 140 is divisible by 7. So our answer is 7. Next, the second example is find the HCF of 60 and 72. In this case, we have to take the options. In these options, which is the least number? 12. So 60 is divisible by 12 and 72 is divisible by 12. So our answer is 12. So the HCF of 60 and 72 is 12. ఈ రకంగా మనము రెండు కానీ అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ కానీ నేచురల్ నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు హెచ్సిఎఫ్ ని 3 మెథడ్స్ లో మనకు నచ్చిన మెథడ్ లో చేసుకోవచ్చు. అదే విధంగా షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేసి కూడా ఆబ్జెక్టివ్లు ఇచ్చినట్లయితే ఈ రకంగా ఈజీగా చేయవచ్చును. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.